Neko, you mash up the life.
I'm bad, you're nothing.
Hey, hey. Why? Welcome to Countdown. All right. Yeah.
She just wanna dance until she just wanna dance until.
All right. All right. All right.
She just wanna dance and tease me.
All right.
She just wanna dance and tease me.
All right.
She just wanna dance.
Yeah. All right. All right. All right. Hey, box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. So let's get right into it.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, empower all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Protege Anti-Dub. Me bungaranga gang. Alright, so you know, say, cultural reggae artist, I don't know what you want to call him, but yeah, Protege recently released this little pre.
The politician can't beg no dough plate from me. Looking at them face, not smile with nobody. Mashing up the place, them not provide for me. That's why them can't use my voice, no not all. No politician can't beg no dough plate from me.
Okay, so him released the little dub here, basically saying that he is not quite impressed with the whole entire thing with the politicians, reaching out to the artists for a dub when it seems as if they don't really care about the music. And no, Protege, he's not the only one to have a conviction like that. We'll say Bounty Killer, him they put up a post kind of taking aim at Peter Bunting and talking about how, I think like Peter Bunting had mentioned some statement that, dancehall is connected to crime. Vybz Kartel also took to his social media to share for his concerns as it relates to the trend of dancehall artists doing dubs for politicians. So I don't know if you know, I still respect Protege. He's allowed to have theme thoughts them. Vybz Kartel and Bounty Killer, yeah, them share them thoughts. But I want to know when I say, Burritos, do you agree with Protege? Sound off in the comments. Yes, sir. Number 9, Symone Session. Alright, so recently I was a guest on Symone Cooper's brand new show on TVJ that is called Symone Session. Now, if you don't know the vibe of the show is kind of something like Oprah Winfrey mixed with a little bit of Dr. Phil. So it is really a space that you're supposed to can just go there, talk about, be vulnerable, and just like talk about things that affect your heart, affect your mind, your body, and your spirit. And so she brought me on, and I think the topic of discussion we were talking about basically just like self-doubt, being insecure, and how I felt as it relates to all of that. I'm not gonna lie, people kind of see me on the street and say I did a ball, I did not hard cry, but I feel the spirit of emotionality. It did reach me at one point in time, but I hold it back. I'm gonna send it right back to the pit of hell.
Are you happy?
Whoa, the question the way. Whew.
I don't know. I mean, when you look at yourself and you look at your journey, are you more happy and content, or do you have a lot of work?
I feel as if I have a lot of work. I mean, I can say that I am proud of some accomplishments. To be honest, I cannot say that I'm happy because...
You look happy when we see you.
I'm very nervous. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yes, it's okay?
Yes.
It's okay to
relax, it's okay. Yeah.
Relax. Okay. Okay, show an honor.
Oh, okay. But yeah, so if you want to watch the full episode, I think she said that she'll be posting it to her YouTube page soon, so you can look at the description down here, so for the link. So hopefully by next week you can watch the whole episode. But yeah, big up Symone Cooper. Definitely had a great time on your show, and yeah, tune in, people. Number 8, Tommy Law. Alright, so I know so recently Tommy Lee, dancehall artist Tommy Lee, Mr. Sparta, named it connected in a some little arms house. And let me just tell you this, the brother, him not like what they go on, so the police they bring him for questioning and all of these kind of things, and he is saying that they basically just end up take out money out of him bank book because of the time that it took to really clear out certain things. So what he is doing right now is that he is suing the Jamaican government for over $100 million. I hope some of you get it correct. Yes. So let me just read it. It says, dancehall artist Tommy Lee Sparta, who was detained for over a month under the state of emergency SO in St. James, was released on Monday, and his lawyers pledged to file a $100 million lawsuit against the state for damages. Tommy Lee's original detention was not only ill-conceived, it was maliciously orchestrated. Attorney Ernest Smith told Loop News.
Only person I fear are just the damn cops.
Right about now, this don't look good. I just hate the fact that dancehall artists and them name I get called up in a one bag of arms house of recent, and it just don't look good at all. I hope that, you know, Tommy Lee is able to make some sort of settlement and whatever money he need to get, him just get on him lawyers so he can go back to him career and live in peaceful life and be a father to him pitting them. That's all I'm hoping for right now. So what you have to say, Burritos, do you think say he'll actually win this lawsuit? Yay or nay?
Yo, secret handshake.
Okay. Number 7, Jamaicans take over Obama's playlist. Me Apple Music. Alright, so you know, say every year former President Barack Obama releases his you know, big bad playlist with all of the songs that he enjoys. And me not gonna lie, this year 3 different Jamaicans made the list. So now first up, Bob Marley reached on the list. Like Bob Marley is just living legend. So it don't, well, oh wow, did I just call Bob Marley a living legend? But if he let the man live the way the man still took over the music charts them. But Bob Marley, big reggae icon, is on the list. Yes, with the single Could You Be Loved. Now on the list as well, his summer playlist list is Don't Walk Away, John Legend featuring Coffee. So Coffee, once again last year she was on it with Toast, and now she's back with her collaboration with John Legend, that is Don't Walk Away. I know the one that kind of surprised and kind of shocked me, like me don't know how this song managed for Jim Screech and reach onto Barack Obama's ears, but it is a really big deal. It is Twist and Turn, Popcorn featuring Drake and Party Next Door.
Dance and tease, you cool like the Highland breeze.
So this is really a good look for Popcorn, because you know, so Popcorn just dropping fixed tape, we enter the Billboard album, the Billboard charts, and so it's really a good look. I'm sure it's a Popcorn must be over the moon for this piece of accomplishment. So let me know, readers, are you surprised to see Popcorn's song on Obama's 2020 summer playlist? Sound off below. Number 6, Patwa Wa. My word, my sentence. Alright, so let me just tell you this. You see, anywhere you're going to Jamaica, you're going to find the Jamaican people in my chat. But you see, we kind of chat different way, depending upon which part of Jamaica you go. From the Basilic to the Acrolake to the Mesolake, all kind of variations. But at this moment, I have no box foot idea what this lady was saying. So me beg on the readers right now, take out on the pen and the paper, because I don't want uno to translate what she did say, because me don't know. Pray.
Feel it now for you about to mock. And when you have gas to blood clot, and when you go to jail, yeah, at so it's not go. I see it to go. Your blood clot idiot.
Okay, I have no idea. No idea. I didn't make out one word, not one word. If you have make it out one word, make the one word down there so be known. Okay? Number 5, Green Dog. Me roof, 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 roof. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. Alright, so the know say election season, and every time when it's election season, we end up coming across some bizarre scenes. One of the most bizarre scenes to occur during the 2020 Jamaica election season is this video of this brother painting him dog green.
Yeah, black JLP dog, you see it? JLP dog, black, see it there? No joke. Yeah, black. Right round for the next side right now, father.
You tell me now, what the box foot is that? What me must say right now? What me must say right now about this? Like people just sit down and watch all of this and go on and thought that this was a good idea. The brother they get a sponsorship from Berger Painter or whosoever. Like I don't understand what is going on right about now. Suppose the dog was a comrade. Uno just run in, go paint the dog green, and don't even ask him permission. Like, what kind of stuff this are going like that? Honestly, me never want to know if this video did drop in America. And them American people there would see this. We never gonna talk about Peter. Jesus Christ, man, the Peter we are talking about right now, now run for the Prime Minister of Jamaica. We are talking about the Peter when a ram come take people rights when it comes to messing with animals. Okay? But apparently, one little birdie tell me say, you know, them they end up take off the paint off of the dog after the brother realized the kind of public outcry that they are going on social media. So them just reverse the thing. I know the dog is back to him usual melanin. So yeah, I guess all is well that ends well. Number 4, Ghetto Michael on stage. Me hee-hoo. Alright, so I can't believe it took this long to happen, but I guess, you know, Ghetto Michael Jackson finally made his way on the on-stage chair, right in front of Mr. Winford Williams. I'm not gonna lie, people, who must have seen this little clip, this little this little excerpt from the show that kind of saw him freestyling, showing off his musical ability, his talent, his vocal range, his capability, all of that. Take a look.
you're nothing. I'm bad, none of them is nothing. Yeah.
Like
Aki, I love the slimmers and the fatty. When the tickets from my manager or see, call her over, baby, take the taxi. I'm bad, you're nothing. I'm bad, none of them is nothing. I'm bad, you're nothing. I'm bad, none of them is nothing. Y'all just a fade, where them a go stop? Y'all just a fade, where them a go stop? Oh girl, I know it's you. Oh girl, I know it's you. One day I gotta marry you. Oh my days, public holidays. I'm bad, you're nothing. I'm bad, none of them is nothing. I'm bad, you're nothing. I'm bad, none of them is nothing. Y'all just a fade, where them a go stop? Y'all just a fade, where them a go stop?
Bravo! Muy magnifico! Say to me, burritos, muy magnifico! That is what it was not. Yo, I'm a supporter figure to Michael Jackson because I just think say money manager, them find a way for us to keep the engine going from week to week. But boy, let me not sound right about now, because it look like all of them social media people here have the ability to find hit song. Okay, so we have Queen with Fear double tap, and you know you have one mega mention further down, and you have Get to Michael Jackson. So let me just shut my mouth with my little bit of money right about now, because you never know by the time you blink, he who might be the song, you know, burning up the whole entire Christmas airwaves.
Feared, where them a go stop? Oh my God, it's Michael. Can I get a pic? Y'all just a feared. Can I get a pic? Pic, 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 pic.
That is all. But let me know what you thought about his appearance on Onstage Burritos and what you think about the freestyle. Sound up below.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment.
Well done. Look how the girls them sexy and run club. Sing along. Well then, big up my friend.
Alright, so first up on the big up segment, I have to go and big up the burritos in the WhatsApp group. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay. Let me just tell you this, my phone down. I don't know when I put the phone, it wasn't stolen. I just cannot find the phone. I think it probably lost somewhere in my yard. I just need to do like a proper digging up to find it. But big up the burritos, them in the WhatsApp group. I'm so running and chatting as usual, okay? Also, I have to go and big up Chef Foley. He recently won another competition against another talented chef. But it's nice to see Jamaica out on top once more. Also, I have to go and big up Nice Clean Stay Good MP for Southeast St. and Miss Lisa Hannah. She celebrated her birthday recently. So yeah man, big up and all the best.
I don't know what I'm going to talk. I'm represent for Duttyberryshow now.
Number 3, rubbish talk. Miss Kendall Bag. Alright, so you see, Jamaican men are some little people you just can't understand, you can't really meds them. Them just very unpredictable. And them sometimes, as bad as them be, them have some little ray side to them. So this brother now, you know, it seems like say he's a you know, he was a garbage truck man, a garbage collector. I don't know the proper name for it, but that is what him do. Nothing wrong with that, right? And while the brother was on site, he took up his phone and decided to just like issue a public service announcement to the whole world. Pray.
Yeah, back again. Me can't believe me. I tell you, look here, cool blood clad rubbish, brother. Watch out. And some guy want to take it. A woman want come take man money and I want skin out. Yeah. You understand, wait? Let's say yeah, brother. Wrong somebody. Yeah. Watch out, cool rubbish. Jesus Christ, I know me have my money and my picnic them I get it, you know. Yeah, brother, see it? Cool rubbish. Kill me out here.
What? You know what really gets me is the way how the brother just says skin out, like skin out. Let me know, I need to practice a skin out here. Now, oh wow, Jesus Christ, did I just say that a while ago? I know, so I'm not cut it out of the video. I'm not cut it out. I just say a while ago. Oh God, the burritos, I'm going to go me for that a while ago. Jesus Christ.
Skin out. Yeah.
I don't know, skin out. Wrong somebody.
Wrong somebody.
So you hear that, ladies? Skin out like Aki. Ta-da! Sound up below. Number 2, Madonna be there. Me Barbie girl. Alright, so recently Madonna celebrated her birthday. I don't know how the woman or how old she is, but I think she's older than Jamaica right now. But anyhow, so Madonna, she celebrated her birthday in Jamaica recently, and she brought her boyfriend and her kids along for the ride. Now, one of the videos them just go viral with her visit. It's not like up and down with she and her team, where people kind of feel so never really quarantined for 2 weeks. Look like them just jump off of the plane and just like out and about and spread them possible corona. But that is between Madonna and the people them who welcome her here and provide her accommodation. So Henty who, she posted this video kind of giving a little synopsis of the birthday festivities, and let me just kind of break it down. So she start off, name one piece of leaf. Pray. Okay, yes, something about that, man. I know something about it, just And then now you have the little part them with the two girls, the twin them. I fan her, and you know. That right, that's now just the little African, the little yeah, the little part they were inside of me, the little spirit and the Maroon and Marcus Garvey. That they kind of look like some little, like a plantation, some slave and owner. I kind of take care of the white man, like that kind of give me a little bad type of strips. Okay. But at least the little part of me can celebrate now is when them decide to go play some dancehall songs and Madonna start to enjoy herself with her man and guests. Now, so first of all, she did actually a dance to a Tony Mataran song. Who would have thought that the day would come that you would see Madonna dancing to a Tony Mataran song? No, round of applause for just how life is unexpected. Round of applause. And also, talk about Madonna right here. So now, dancing to Spice. No, come on, like, if this not shows Spice the Queen of dancehall right now, look how much song could I play. And there is a video of Madonna dancing to Queen Spice. Like, I don't know, somebody must plan it. I know, so for the marketing of it, this is just like perfect. Because, like, come on, I can't buck ups. Madonna, my sister, you did a draft for the Beyonce baby boy moves them. Look like you did watch a music video before you come down here. You try your thing, but I think you need to go link up with Rebel and TC and Pretty, so you can get a full 100, right? Invite them for your next music video. Alright, so let me know, Burritos, what do you think of this whole entire video? Were you here for it? How did you feel while you were watching it? Sound off below. And number one goes to... You must have guessed it. Why you do it, Neko? My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. The number one spot goes to Neko. Oh my God. The brand new song from DJ Amari that is called Neko Mash Up My Life. Like, honestly, everywhere you go right now, that is the trending song. Like, some time ago, it was all about double tap and say something clean and say something fat. And now move from one social media strong personality to another female personality and with a strong anthem that is called Neko Mash Up My Life. No, pre the video.
Neko, you mash up my life. You mash up my life. You mash up my life. Neko.
No, honestly, you see the big boy, I'm not gonna lie, you see the rhythm nice. No, there's a nice rhythm, so big of the producer. But the way Amari like the way Amari did move in the music video, you can't tell she's a Shana Shakira, Shana Beyonce and J-Lo, you know. She did give the feeling, the emotion. You see when Amari walk and she step out so. And then she turned up on the wall and then she have her little PNP wig just a flash so. Oh my God. Oh wow. Her PNP wig. You know, so if Peter Phillips is smart, Peter Phillips would get her to go do a PNP dub. And say something like, Andrew, you mash up with life. Oh my gosh. Or if Andrew is smart, him could get her to and put on one green wig and say, PNP, for 18 years, you mash up my life. I'm so stupid. No, let me just stop. Like, I'm really brilliant. Alright, so she have her song, I'm not gonna lie, like Amari, she's just been trending. Some time ago, you must know that she did involved with Gully Bop and them kind of break away and she look like so she just been keeping up with the times and putting herself out there. And look, It looked like she get a little hit song, and we have to commend her for that because, you know, she kind of showing that persistence is the key. So she has we see a video with her now, like she was interviewed by the Jamaica star.
Neko happens to be my ex-fiance, Gully Bob, and I was inspired to sing the song in regards to our broken relationship, and I wrote the song about 2-3 years.
Then now, in the middle of all of that, Gully Bob put out film video and share film 2 cents, and he never really hear for Amari. I call up him name.
They don't have no money. Them broke like buckle. Yeah. So when you see America people them coming here right now, them broke. Yeah, Corona then come figure you. Yeah? So you can go on.
So Amari take to social media now and decide to just tell everybody, say, yeah, it wasn't really Bob and she was just doing him a favor. Pre.
You really look at iPod for me. I can't believe. I thought you were like, you know, like the I wouldn't say God. I thought you were the Godfather, the God of social media. You really look at hype off me, Bob? No, straight up. Let me tell you something, people. Hold on there, David. Now, you know that just recently the Star interviewed me, right? So they asked me who was Neko, and I told them that it's Gully Bob. But the truth is, Neko is not Bob, and Bob really believed that it's him. You think I'm stupid? I'm not stupid. If somebody asks me who is Neko, the first person I'm going to say is Gully Bob, because you want the thing to be trending. Don't just end up with my fans. I end up with your fans too, that you left without a leader. You get what I'm saying? And I did the arithmetic. I figured out people are going to say Amari, and then we're going to bring back the old Gully Bob fame, and then I'm going to collect that shit you...
So boy, oh boy, all me have to say is that me just know say Amari is not as mad and crazy as how many of us make her out to be. I think this woman is very mindful and understanding. Like, honestly, every time she do her video, everybody in her background just kind of let her be like, them just know say, it might be a little act that she's putting on. Them just know say, yo, she just do her thing. And all of us are falling for it. So I don't think Amari is like a stupid person or somebody who is a mad woman. I think she's very aware and knows how to kind of market herself based on how people perceive her. And she's been doing it well. And so I'll see a video with her, you know, she'll go on community. And you want to see how the kids them gravitate to her and her song. Pre.
You mash up my life. You mash up my life. Neko, you mash up my life. You mash up my life. You mash up my life. You never knew say you didn't try. You never knew say you didn't try.
So wow, I guess she have a hit on her hands. So like, that's all I'm gonna say. Big up yourself, Amari. And Neko, whoever you are, why you do it drunk, bro? Well, that's it, burritos. We've come to the end of another Top 10 social media countdown. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please to hit the thumbs up button as well as to turn on your post notification. Also, don't forget to subscribe, especially to the newbies them. If you've always been watching the channel, please to subscribe and to leave a comment down below letting me know what was your favorite part of the countdown. Big up the WhatsApp group, my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay. My phone kind of down for a little bit, but I soon get back and add back up the group and all of these things. Make sure to follow me on my social media at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all over, as well as to, you know, if you want to advertise within the countdown, shoot me an email to DuttyBerryshow@gmail.com. Alright, take care until next time.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tune into the youth.